I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the TowerTop brand, their cordless air tire compressor. It has an internal pump in here, larger size, that will allow it to be about 2.5 times faster inflation than other units. It'll work up to 150 psi, has a 7800 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery in there, which is great, and uses a power bank function. It has an LED light and this amazing case that keeps everything organized so that you could use it, keep it in your car, have it charged up, have an emergency power bank, a light, and a compressor. This has a full 1-year warranty from the manufacturer, and the product gets amazing customer ratings. I've never seen a product with high ratings like this. And they will send you a brand new replacement. No need to return the product. They're so confident in the quality of this product. So to full charge, this will inflate 4 195 55R15 car batteries, 0 to 36 psi. Hopefully you'll never get your battery down, your car tire down to 0. This will be for topping it off. And the battery in here has standby for a full year, and that's really important. A lot of these units that you see on the market, they will deplete the battery just sitting there. You have to charge them every 2 months. They did a really amazing job on this, so that didn't happen. So internally in here, there's a 550 motor and a 25 millimeter cylinder. That's how they're getting that high PSI and the airflow of 40 liters per minute. It takes about a minute to inflate a Tesla tire from 29 to 36, and 4 minutes to inflate that 195 55R15 from 0 to 36. It's got a nice large screen on here and some presets. So let's take a look at this unit. This is the LED light right there. This is the output air, and here is the power button. You just hold that down and it comes on with this really high-tech display, very clear, easy to see, and you can move across and you can see that it has car, motorcycle, bike, and basketball, looks like. And then you see it's flashing with the PSI number. Also gives you immediate status right there. You hit this button right there and you get the bright light, ring light, and then it has an SOS mode, and then a blinking for attention, and then off. So what's nice about this is that you could be in total darkness and put this and have it as light. And I love the way they have the light right by the output, because the output is what's pointing to your tire, and you're going to need that to see what you're fixing. That is such a good idea. You can clearly see why this thing got these ratings. And you can see it has cooling on the side, both sides right there. On the back of it, you have your port. There's your power bank, 5 volts, 2 amp, and your input charging Type-C connector. And inside here, I'm sure there's all the connections and everything. We're gonna look at that. Using it is real simple. You could change the value right there, then you hit, and it comes on. Now it's really loud because it's right by the camera, but this is significantly less noisy than other ones that I've tested. So let's just put this back in there. Let's take a look what comes inside here. You have your charging cable, USB A to C, and you have all the adapters you're going to need to fill up other products. And then here is the input cable, the output cable, with a 360-degree rotating piece and a locking airflow. And they did a nice job. This is a nice long length of about, looks like about 16 inches. And I love that. And then this is going to simply just screw onto here. And what's nice is as you're turning this, you don't have to rotate the whole cable, because they have this as a flexible connection, just like that. Once you do that, you have your ability to gain the output to test it. And this great unit does come with a really nicely written instruction manual, colored, and shows you everything how to use the product. Charging is very simple. You could use the included cable, and this is another cable that I have, which is any Type-C, 1 amp or 2 amp or 3 amp power supply, 5 volts, and now it's charging it, and it gives you a little update right there letting you know when it's fully charged. I love this screen. This is the nicest screen I've ever seen on a product. It's so clear and easy to see. So using the power bank function is very simple. The unit should be on, and then I have a USB-A and a USB-A to C. I'm going to a Pixel 6 and I'm getting charged right there utilizing that port. And again, that port on here is 5 volts at 2 amps. So now you have the ability to have a power bank to charge any mobile phone or any netbook and even a laptop, and still have the ability to have a light and a compressor. We're going to be testing it on my car because I do have some low tires. So here we're going to set the tire pressure on our car here. This is set to 36, which is one of the default settings, which is actually the correct one for this vehicle. So I'm going to have my wife connect it up to the valve. Make sure you check your pressure setting on your door jamb before you put the pressure on and test it.
No, I just put it on straight?
As parallel as you can, and then you pull that thing down. There you go. So now she's got it connected using the quick release valve on there. And now we're going to hit the start button, which is the center button there. So when we connected it, it didn't go, and I was wondering why. So if you look at the manual, it says that the top number is the actual value of the tire and the bottom number is the setting. So it already had air in there of 36.5, so that's why it's not coming on. So we're going to deflate some air out of the tire, and then we're going to try it again. So we're letting some air out. Now you can connect it again, pushing it all the way in. And there it shut off exactly at 36.
My husband and I just inflated our tires on both of our cars, and I told him that this was the easiest compressor that I ever used from TowerTop, and my husband has actually tested probably 8 or 9 compressors in the last 3 years. This one is one that I can use without any help.
So after testing, what do you think about the TowerTop brand? Their cordless air compressor with 2.5 times faster inflation, and that 7,800 milliamp hour rechargeable battery power bank, the cool LED light, the simple interface on here. I love this product, really impressed with it. The HD display, as I demonstrated, this worked perfect to inflate my tires, and I love that it has a holder so that you can organize it all and take it with you on a car trip, have it always ready. The fact that this will stay charged for almost a year is incredible. That's a big plus for me. So the engineering of this is just flawless. I'm impressed with it. That's why customers are giving it a high rating. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.